I'm Ben Winslow on Utah's Capitol Hill. The 5 justices of the Utah Supreme Court sided with Salt Lake City in a lawsuit over how it handles homelessness. But one of the plaintiffs in that lawsuit believes they won anyway.
A 911 call should be responded. Somebody in the street suffering, there should be a response.
David Ibarra is among a group of people who sued Salt Lake City, accusing it of creating a public nuisance by not doing enough to deal with homelessness. The case wound up before the Utah Supreme Court, who questioned if the city can be forced to do something to appease these people. The justices unanimously ruled in favor of the city, citing what's called the public duty doctrine. The Chief Justice wrote, "We acknowledge the difficult realities that residents are experiencing due to the actions unsheltered people are taking on and near their properties. But our sincere sympathy to those difficulties cannot dictate how we apply the law. Both the legislature and this court have made clear that the public duty doctrine exists to preclude claims against government actors for any alleged failure to perform their duties. Residents have not shown that the city owed them any unique duty beyond what it owes to all people within city limits."
I believe we won.
Ibarra says that's because of how Salt Lake City is now handling homelessness and public safety issues.
The lawsuit was about bringing accountability to the city administration to enforce things that were the law or no camping regulations and to address the humanity of folks on the street or involved in drugs, mental illness, not getting the assistance they needed that was affecting everything from business to neighborhoods. But the climate has changed.
What changed is the governor and Republican legislative leaders demanded Salt Lake City do more to address public safety, or else the state would intervene. Mayor Aaron Mendenhall reacted with a robust plan that's still rolling out. It's even won support from Capitol Hill. In a statement to Fox 13 News, the mayor says Salt Lake City appreciates the court's decision, which reaffirms that complex policy matters are best addressed by locally elected officials and policy experts, not the courts. We recognize the very real impacts chronic homelessness can have on residents, businesses, and unsheltered individuals alike, and we remain committed above all to responding with compassion and accountability.
Now, in her update on the public safety plan, Mayor Mendenhall says there's simply a lot dealing with housing and treatment that the legislature did not fund. Some lawmakers tell me they plan to address that in the upcoming session that starts in January. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.